Uh-oh, Jimmy, we found another one. You can't sleep. I think it's girl problems, Jimmy. I think we need to take a survey about how many people can't sleep because of relationship problems. Look at him. Tossing and turning. Twisting and burning. He said, she said, they said. Oh my word. Put your head down, mate. Put your head down. Oh. To my brothers out there, listen. If the relationship is done, you don't need to lose sleep. There's too many women in this world to lose sleep over one, mate. You're alright. Trust God to lead you to the one for you. And I said one because one wife is enough for you, mate. You don't need two. And my sisters out there, ladies, listen. You've tried. You've cried. You can't cook. You've fried. But listen, I know you're annoyed, but don't lose sleep over these boys. And I know you're tempted to leave that toy. Naughty, naughty. Close your eyes, mate. Close your eyes.